Dumelang Landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Umkhokha the curse. Guys, this is my last day. I'm saying goodbye. Hopadile vele. Indaba yamkhokha ayiluki, indaba yamkhokha ayilungi. The thing bedimkhokha komrechni. Yeah, no, it's not happening. All right. Umkhokha the curse, right? Khulekani decided to announce to the church ukuthi he's going to take over as umkhululi. Yeah, like you guys, I'm a heart palpitations. Inhliziyo yami ethu ilithibang. Otherwise no ban nesamethi mosofeng. Like on a serious note, ban nesamethi mosofeng akeshapo. Because this was my last day of watching Umkhokha. Okay, Khulekani announced, and I'm going to report on Khulekani alone. Khulekani announced that he's taking over the church, and everybody was shocked. Uzamxolo stood up and said, Khulekani, no. The council tried to say Khulekani, no. Khulekani said, whoever believes that amandla wami, at this point he forgot Nomthembu, amandla wami iwona anibekela, stand up, follow me. I vele kwasukuma loyana ngisho. That guy who was a Christian and then turned to be Judea after he saw Khulekani healing that crazy guy, right? And I thought immediately after that the crazy guy was gonna stand up, and I thought immediately after him then the blind lady was gonna stand up. All right, kusukume unomkhosi with her pride and her face filled with everything. Kusukume Mam Zobe. When Mam Zobe stood up, I said, Mam Zobe, she's back. Like, Upakatai was so broken. Upakatai was so hurt. Uguti, this girl is just back to her own tricks. This girl keeps on embarrassing me in front of, during the people. This girl is just, ngaleso sikhathi uNdlovu ukhazeke. Like, uNdlovu bekwe yakhe. UNdlovu beka happy more than the word happiness itself. Ngisi uNdlovu beka ku any level ye happiness. Buza ukuthi why? Because uthi yena nefamily yakhe bachuza iside la Khulekani uyo obiziwe ngamampela. Hayi lo ozothi aqoliswe phambi kwebandla lonke in guys, literally 80% of the church stood up and left with Khulekani. Yes, 80% of the church stood up and left with Khulekani. Uzamqolo uwariti unokubonga naye uwariti uyazibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani umalume. Like at this point everybody in the family has taken iside la kaZamqolo except Khulekani himself. He took his own side. Khulekani took his own side. Bangenzele netiye bazalwane like kubi kurafu kure yo, but ke bottom line, Khulekani is the new Mkhululi. He went to pray in the mountains. He hid the staff that they hold when they're in the position of Umkhululi. And then Uzamqolo asked where it is, and he said it is in its rightful place. And then Uzamqolo amkhumbuza ukuthi lento yakamthembu, and Umthembu gave it to me, and he gave it to me for a reason, and you can't take it away from me like that. At this point Uzamqolo is broken. Like he feels ukuthi he can't trust anyone, because at this point the person that he trusted, the person that he loves, is betraying him. Even unomkhosi unomafu makamtshela ukuthi remember this has happened to you with your half brother. This has also happened with Mam Zobe, and it's different. This is the brother that I love. Yo walen angazi nokuthi ngixoxele kanjani. Like kuri kithibang like bantsela metsi no like ke bampetha kuri bankirela. Yo, my landlords, I'm not coping. I am not coping. Khulekani is your new Mkhululi. Khulekani is your Mkhululi. He's no longer your interim Mkhululi. He is your new Mkhululi. So when I let me know, are you accepting Khulekani as your Mkhululi? Angeke. Yeah, this is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.